Hey YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel for another video. So today I have a quick unboxing for you guys. I ordered some items from Honey's Handmade and I just received my package. I ordered it 2 days ago. So if you want to see what I got, please stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, I have my box here, so let's get opening this box. It's a little box, so let me open it up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I opened the box off camera, so let's open it up. The first thing we see on top is save 25% on any Still feminine hygiene product while supplies last. So it's like a PHB balanced feminine smoothing peppermint cleansing wipe. So it's a sample, and if I like it I can go on this and order some more. I got my order package, order slip, and I only ordered 3 items, you guys, because it was $2 Tuesday, and each of these items was $2. And I ordered these items because they're a part of her Holiday Skin Deep collection, which is a moisturizing skin collection. I ordered this one. Sorry about just trying to like trying to focus. Okay, can't really see it. But this one is the Vanilla Beam. It's frosted vanilla skin silkening body cream. Oh my goodness, that was so hard to say. So I ordered 2 of these. This is the other one, the Vanilla Beam Skin Silkening Body Cream. And I ordered this one. This is way better that you can see it better. This is the Peppermint Skin Silkening Body Cream. So I ordered 3 body butters from her Holiday Skin Deep collection. And let me try to open it up so we can see what color they are. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I opened it up. It's white and very creamy looking. And it smells just like peppermint. It smells very good. And it came with this little seal on it. You can see the seal. You can see it's very creamy. Alright, the other one is this one. Let's see how this one smells. See, it's very, very, very creamy. This one smells so good. This one smells like a sweet vanilla and something else. I don't know what it is, but it smells so good. I'm so happy I ordered 2 of these. And I pray that they're very moisturizing. Let me see if I can try it. My hands, you see, they're very ashy, so I'm going to try to do it and I'll come right back. I'm going to do the vanilla one. I'm sorry guys, I'm like doing this holding my phone. Alright guys, I'm back. I hope you can see that really good, but you see the shine to my skin? It feels very nice. Very, very nice. And it's very moisturizing. You can see the shine on my hand. My skin was very, very dry. Feels very good, very silkeny, just like it says. I really like it, but this smells so good. Alright guys, So I am so ecstatic that I actually tried out those products. Yeah, so it was on her $2 Tuesdays. She does it sometimes. She was just not bringing it back. So if you guys are interested in some of her products, stay on the lookout on her website. On Tuesdays, she gives specials on different products, different items. It's never the same item every Tuesday, so it's like it varies. So you just gotta look out on, if you have an Instagram account, look out on her Instagram account. She'll usually post it up on her Instagram, and then you can go to the website and order the products that you want to try out. But I am glad I ordered that because it smells really good. It's very moisturizing and I like it. It smells really, really nice. It's like vanilla floral, something like that. And the peppermint smells really good. It just smells like peppermint. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys, that if you're interested in trying some of her products, check her out on Tuesday. She's been having her $2 Tuesdays specials on different products here and there. So this one, I've been wanting to try out her holiday body butter line, so I'm very excited that I did try it out. And my hand feels good. My hand was so dry that it's like kind of tingling right now, but it's very moisturizing. It has like that little shine to it. It feels good. But yeah, my hands were super dry. So that's all I got for you guys today on this quick unboxing. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. Please comment down below if you have tried any of her body creams from her holiday line. Let me know what you tried and what do you think of the products. And also, if you are new here, my name is Nicole and welcome. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you like this content. I have more content on my channel you can check out. Have a wonderful and blessed day, you guys. And if you do join our family, please leave me a comment down below, because YouTube don't always notify you. I've been in the habit lately of going onto my YouTube studio to see if I have any new subscribers, so I can come back over and check you guys' content out. So if you guys are putting out good here on YouTube platform, I'll be more than happy to come back over and connect with you guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. I know it was a short video, but I hope you enjoyed it. Bye guys, have a blessed day. See you on the next one. So I just decided to turn the camera around a different angle, and you see how dry my leg is here? Now let's see how the body cream helps. I'm using the same one I use on my hand. Just gonna put a little amount. It smells very fresh and fruity and vanilla. It's like vanilla fruity. It smells so nice. It's not overpowering. It's a nice smell. Yeah, it smells so good. Can you see the difference? It's a nice sheen. It feels really good and smooth. Hope you guys can see that. But it's really nice. I hope I catch this $2 sale on her body creams again, because it's really nice.